Hello friends, today in this video I will talk about this channel and you know that I'm putting videos on this channel related to English learning, improve your English skills, English vocabulary, English fluency. I'm making the videos on these topics, and you know that till this video my channel has not grown, and I am consistently making the videos. But you know that whenever you do some kind of work consistently and people around you watch you or see you while doing your work, but when you do not get any kind of benefit from your work, then I think that people start staring at you, that what this person is doing, why he is wasting his time. Even my family members, my parents, my wife, others, because I make these videos in open where everybody is seeing me at my house while making videos, and sometimes I feel that they are staring at me, that what this person is doing, why this person is wasting time on social media or on making videos, what he is speaking, because they don't know the English language and I speak the English language to make my videos. They listen me, and sometimes I feel I can read their faces, that they are saying that this person is wasting his time and making the videos, because they are not related to this. They don't understand the social media, YouTube, what is YouTube. They just can see the videos whenever they browse on social media. Otherwise, they don't know the importance of channels or what I am speaking, what lecture I am giving online to the people, or I am also improving myself, my skills of speaking the English language. So, because they don't know, but if this channel will grow and I start earning from this channel, and I will tell them that I am getting earning from this channel on monthly basis, then they will be happy that, oh yes, this is very good work and he is doing. Because right now I am not getting any benefit from this channel, because when you think in early time to get the benefits, then your motivation, all your motivation will be towards earning the money, not towards earning the good videos, good content. So, I think we have to give our best, then we can expect that we will get the reward in best way. Sometimes I feel astonished that why these people are not understanding my mentality, because they are sometimes they are saying to me that why you are wasting time here on social media, do some other job. See what others people are doing business, they are opening their shops and earning lot of livelihood. You even don't have the money to purchase the things for your household, the edible things. So sometimes I feel astonished that if I don't get any benefit from social media, then what will happen? Then I think that beside this social media, I am also doing, I am related to art and culture. You know that sometimes I do the programs from governments, from different NGOs, and I get chance sometimes, and in this way I get some earnings from there. But that is not regular. When you don't have regular work, then it is very difficult for you to survive financially, because when you are financially poor, your mind will not think the good content. Your mind always think about that oh, I have to pay the fees of children, I have to pay the bills of electricity, I have to purchase the flour for children, I have to purchase the sugar, other things. You know that there are too much expenses when you handle a big family. So sometimes I think that if I have learnt, I'm not expert in this language, but because I did not find any kind of environment around me where I can express my views with others, where I can do my practical experience of speaking the language. I myself, whatever I'm speaking is due to my own efforts, by reading the books, by listening, right now by listening the videos or podcasts. Before this, I don't have any listening material, because I got the internet service a year ago. Before that, I was just reading the books, and I don't have in my friend circles or in my family members with whom I can express my English language or speak and exchange our views in English language to make my English more better. Whatever I am speaking is only due to the reading the books. So there might be some mistakes or errors. For that I pardon. For that pardon me. Actually, people don't understand sometimes your mentality. People don't give the importance to those people who are eligible, competent, efficient. If you are competent, eligible to do some things, they will not admire you until you don't have the money. When you earn a lot of money, then they will accept you. Then they will praise your broken English. Right now, if in any of my video I speak the good English, then they will never praise me, because they know that this person is perhaps wasting the time. But if I have lot of wealth, vehicle, car, other things, then they will praise me. Whenever they friend or other people will meet me, they will ask me, oh, what a wonderful video you have made, splendid, we really admire you. But right now, sometimes they watch my videos, but they do not pass any kind of comment because of jealousy. People here are jealous with others. Instead of encouraging others, they become jealous. Why is this? Sometimes I think that this behavior is very bad, and people should correct this behavior and respect others. I think that you should respect the talented people. You should encourage them, support them, so that they would become the good speakers or good person of the society.